Hi guys, today let's talk a bit about the caladiums. I myself don't have a lot of experience with caladiums, but they are one of the very simple plant to have and to raise, at least over here in Thailand. Well, I think the condition is what the plant prefer, um, and they could be easily propagate, um, and they like the humidity, they like the heat, and people also like it. Thai people have caladiums in their household for I think at least 100 year. um, it definitely got imported from somewhere, but it is the condition here is just okay for the plant, and you could easily raise the plant and propagate, multiply. What most people use over here, and what I also use, is basically decomposed leaf, specifically monkey pot tree, if that's the right name. I don't know. I Google it. That's what most people using. The decomposed leaf that people are using is, sometimes it's just decomposed leaf, but most of the time it's soil mixed with decomposed leaf, because just the leaf itself, there were like a crazy craze for caladiums about 2 or 3 months ago. People here are crazy about caladiums. The price shot up like really high. Like for a big pushy mother plant, some could cost hundreds of thousand baht. Most of my caladiums, especially the pink and red ones, mostly they are unnamed. Over here it's caladium corm. There's no shoot. It died off during the winter. I left it outside. When it got really cold, it died off. But I just leave this little guy, this corm, in a tray that has just slight amount of water. And now, as you can see, there's new plant shooting up. So as long as the condition is suitable for the plant, it'll come up. It's what basically happened. They shed their leaf during the winter, and then new leaf. They have new leaf when the weather gets warmer, and yeah, that's basically it. So I used to make a video about how easy to have caladium at home, and I would just use soil from under the tree, basically decomposed leaf, and then the caladium will born naturally. So when I want to move it from the ground, from the soil to the pot, I just grab some soil from under the tree, because I see that's how it's naturally born. So I use that soil, and it was easy. Definitely you can't compare with somebody who put it in some kind of grow tent. Yeah, you can't compare with that. But the plant will tolerate the heat, the lack of humidity better than the one in grow tent. The one in grow tent, I have seen people that use grow tents to raise caladiums. They are beautiful. They have no pest problem, and they're big. the leaf doesn't shed during winter. But if you put them in the open like this, not in the grow tent that are completely closed, it will shed the leaf during winter, and definitely there would be some pest problem. But this thing, the corm, will be bigger than the one that has been raised in grow tent. And that would be all for today. Thank you so much for watching.